Hey Glam fam, it is that time of the month again where I pop in and share some amazing scents with you all from Dossier. I have two scents that I want to share with you all, and these were my absolute faves last month. I have Fruity Brown Sugar here, which smells absolutely amazing. You're going to absolutely love this if you're into sweet and sexy scents. I also have Floral Berries here, which is also a very beautiful scent as well. Floral Berries has top notes of peony, apple, and so many different things. I mean, it is such a beautiful scent. And Fruity Brown Sugar has top notes of raspberry and bergamot. These are both absolutely beautiful. And hold on, let me get myself a nice whiff of this one right here. It smells so sweet and so simple. I absolutely love these. These are the perfect scents for making a statement but not doing too much. Make sure that you all check out Dossier down below in order to get your smell good on. And let me know down below which one of these scents you'd like to try out. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Hey Glam fam! In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all my nighttime shower routine. After a long day, this is pretty much all that I look forward to, and my bed of course. So I wanted to share this with you all, and I change my shower routine quite frequently, so don't be surprised if y'all get another one of these soon after this one. Anyways, let's get started. Tonight to wash my hair, I'm going to be using my HASK hemp oil and agave moisturizing shampoo, and also my head scrubber. Now I had just washed my hair the day prior to filming this video, so it wasn't needed, but what I found, you guys, is that this hair shampoo is so relaxing. I absolutely love it on days after a long day. So that is what I'm going to be using on today to go ahead and wash my hair. Now because you're special, I'm going to leave everything that I use in this video listed down below so that you can get your hands on all these items. This head scrubber device that I'm using, oh my gosh you all, it is so amazing. It feels exactly like when you go to the hair salon and you're getting your scalp scrubbed really good. It feels so good, you guys. In order to condition my hair on today, I'm going to be using the moisturizing conditioner by the brand called Native. And I'm going to make sure that I get in my scalp really, really good. You all, when this conditioner says it's moisturizing, honey, it ain't lying. It is very moisturizing.
You know that I want to be good for you. You know that I want to be good for you. I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak.
Today I will be using my Dr. Teal's body wash. Now this contains Epsom salt. It also has vitamin C in it, which helps your skin to glow and look very youthful. And you guys, I love this stuff right here. I'm using my loofah that is from Amazon. You can check out basically everything in this video down below if you just so happen to be interested.
And we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love. Sometimes we're just crying, but we'll keep on trying. I know we'll be okay, 'cause we got unconditional love.
Today, I will be using my Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. Now, I absolutely love this stuff, you guys, because it's very relaxing as well. Don't forget to use my code Mattie for $5 off any purchase of $50 or more with Banish. You guys, this stuff is absolutely amazing for your skin, and I definitely recommend that you check out my skincare routine with Banish to see how Banish has improved my skin. And once I'm all finished, I love using Nutiva virgin coconut oil all over my body and on my lady bits. And to moisturize my face today, I will be using the Banish Vitamin C Cream. This stuff right here is amazing. Y'all already know that I swear by Banish, so there really isn't much for me to say, but I will make sure, again, that I leave everything listed down below for you guys. To moisturize my body, I'm going to be using the Nivea Oil Infused Lotion. I typically always use this, so if you all have any lotion suggestions, leave them down below. And I'm going to be using the Coconut Pineapple Deodorant. This smells so good, you guys. Not better than my Donna Karan, but it still smells amazing. I didn't like all the white residue that it left though, so I ended up wiping that off after I was done filming. And the scent that I'm using today is from Dossier. This one is called Floral Marshmallow. It smells so good, you all. Check this one out down below as well, you guys. It's such a beautiful scent. But I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure that you leave a comment down below letting me know where you are watching from. I'd love to know where you guys are tuned in from. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.